Hi guys, I'm back with another video of review. I just got it today. A review of for a computer Acer power cord. Let's open this up and see what we got here. There we go. Here we got the plug. And get this out of the way. And here we go. Acer AC adapter for computer, laptop, Acer. Let's see if this will work or not. Let me take this out. Let me plug this in the outlet. And here I have my laptop Acer. See if it works with my new plug. Open it up. I got my plug. Plug in. See if it works. Here you see the light right there. Indicate it's working. You see the light right there? Right there. Here you see it's working. The light indicate it's charging. Let me unplug it. There it is. And put it back on. There it is. It's working. See if it turn on. Here we go. It's turned on. It's good. I bought this at Amazon for around $750 or so. I'm gonna put a link and description below. Make sure you like this video. I will making more video, more like this kind of video, unpackaging and review. If you like it, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.